Good morning, all of you, the students. Myself, Abhijit Vyas, music teacher.
We are going to start our lecture of music. So pay attention. First of all, we are going to pray Lord Saraswati, followed by Lord Guru. Ya kundendu tusharhar dharmala, ya shubhravastrabhuta, ya veenavardandamanditara, ya श्वेतपद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिर् देवैः सदा वन्दिता, सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. After this, we are going to sing shloka of Guru. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. After this, we are going to sing our school anthem. I repeat, after this, we are going to sing our school anthem. 1, 2, 3, 4. आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई ना कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई ना कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. दुनिया आसमां बनाए हम तो चल पड़े, छोटे छोटे हम मगर हौसले बड़े. दुनिया आसमां बनाए हम तो चल पड़े, छोटे छोटे हम मगर हौसले बड़े. हम जमीन को आसमां से मिलाएंगे, जो कोई ना कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई ना कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. मुश्किलें हजार हो हम झुके नहीं, सच की राह से कभी हम डटे नहीं. मुश्किलें हजार हो हम झुके नहीं, सच की राह से कभी हम डटे नहीं. अपनी मुट्ठियों में जीत लेके आएंगे, जो कोई ना कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. आसमां को एक दिन छू के आएंगे, जो कोई ना कर सका वो कर दिखाएंगे. पुढे पुढे asana ko ek din. So after this, we are going to do the meditation via music. Meditation is important for every person in our life because it gives relaxation to our mind and body also. So let's see how to do meditation via music. It's called Omkara also. All the students, please pay attention to me. All of you, join your hands, close your eyes, just relax your body, don't think anything in your mind, and take a long breath and sing Omkara. I will show you a demo. You have to follow the same Omkara. I repeat. We have to do this repetition towards approximately 8 to 10 counts. I repeat, you have to repeat this Omkara approximately every day in the morning 8 to 10 times because it gives relaxation to our body and the mind also. It creates very meditation and relaxation. After this, we are going to take the session of something classical music, which is the primary base of our music session. See, every building has a strong foundation, okay? Means I mean to say that a strong foundation is required for every strong building. So, now we are going to build our building via singing Saregama. Just we can say that the basics of music is Saregama. Because without this foundation, we can't do anything in music. So all of you are supposed to sing properly by concentrating, by singing Saregama. Basics of English is ABCD, just like that. The basics language of music is Saregama. So now I will give you the demo how to sing Saregama. You can see one instrument in my hand that is called as musical keyboard. Okay, I repeat, the instrument you are watching in my hand is called as musical keyboard. Some people call it as musical keyboard also, piano also, or musical instrument also. Just we can see this musical keyboard. I am playing this in very easy manner, so you can do this also. Okay. Now, with the help of this keyboard, we are going to sing our Saregama, which is primary level, and I am going to sing that, and you have to follow the same Saregama. So please concentrate on my playing and please concentrate on my singing also. Okay. Then we are going to sing that. I will give the example. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. I think you are enjoying the Saregama with me because I am also enjoying my singing Saregama. See, you can see the very big people, very famous singers in the classical music also or Bollywood music also. There are very much famous singers just like that Shankar Mahadevan, Sonu Nigam, Lata Mangeshkar, Arjit Singh, Sukhwinder Singh, etc. etc. they have started their music career through this primary base level by singing Saregama. Okay. So we have done this. Okay. Now I will explain you the types of this Saregama. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa dha dha ni ni sa sa ni ni dha dha pa pa ma ma ga ga re re sa sa. What have I done? I have repeated every note twice. Okay. Firstly, what have we done? We had sung sa re ga ma pa. Okay. After that, we have to repeat the same note twice. Okay. Sa sa re re ga ga ma ma pa pa dha dha ni ni sa sa ni ni dha dha pa pa ma ma ga ga re re sa sa. Okay. Now we have done this Saregama, and we have also introduced the classical music, the importance of classical music in the field of our musical career. So after this we are going to start our proper music lecture. So students, as we have told you before, we are going to start our music. Then we are going to start our today's song. The song name is Sargam song. I repeat, the song name is Sargam song. I'll explain the meaning of this song first of all, and then we are going to start that practical song with the help of this keyboard. So, lyrics of the song is Sa Se Savan. The title is Sa Se Savan. You can listen all the notes of classical music in this song. As we have practiced before Saregama, there are the 7 notes in first saptak, we can say. In that saptak, we can listen Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni. In this song, I mean to say that in today's song, we are going to learn the practical meaning of every note. What do you mean by Sa? What do you mean by Re? What do you mean by Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, etc., etc. So, in this song, you can learn the practical meaning of all the notes with the help of music. I will explain the lyrics of this song first of all. Then I will sing this song on the keyboard. Okay? So, listen carefully. The lyrics of this song. Lyrics are Sa Se Savan. Now listen carefully, all the students. Sa Se Savan, Re Se Rim Jhim, Ga Se Gao Geet. Student, listen carefully. Okay, concentrate on my lyrics. I repeat: Sa Se Savan, Re Se Rim Jhim, Ga Se Gao Geet. Yani I mean to say that Ga tak hue abhi means Sa Re Ga Ma. It's done. We are going to ahead. Ma se mile moti, pa se chali pavan. Means the lyrics have to explain that Sa se savan, Re se rimjim, Ga se gao geet, Sa re ga, Ma se mile moti. Ma ho gaya. Okay. Then pa se chali pavan. Pavan means hawai. Okay. Okay, Pa se chali pavan, Dha se dhani dharti, and finally Ni se nila gagan. सात सुरों से बनता है ये प्यारा सा सरगम. You can write down the lyrics of this song. Be careful and concentrate on the lyrics of this song. नी से नीला गगन, सात सुरों से बनता है ये प्यारा सा सरगम. And finally, the last line of the song is खुशियों से बच्चे गाते हैं सदा इसे हरदम. I repeat, खुशियों से बच्चे गाते हैं सदा इसे Hardam. Students, it's very nice song. It's very sweet song. You can sing this song in your family function, in any family event. Get together with your friends, within your family, in your school function, etc. etc. This song is very nice. You can sing this song at any place. Okay. So now we shall sing this song with the help of this keyboard. Okay. Sa se sa re se rim jim ga se ga hogi. Sa se sa re se rim jim ga se ga hogi. Ma se ni re moti pa se chali pavan. Ma se ni re moti pa se chali pavan. Ga se dhani dharti ni se nila सात सुरों से बनता है ये प्यारा सा सरगम। सात सुरों से बनता है ये प्यारा सा सरगम। खुशियों से बच्चे गाते हैं सदा इसे हरदम। खुशियों से बच्चे गाते हैं सदा इसे हरदम। सारे गम पधनि सा सानि ग प म ग रे सा। सारे गम पधनि सा सानि ग प म ग रे सा। सा से सावन रे से रिम झिम ग से गा होगी। सा से सावन रे से रिम झिम। Students, listen carefully. While singing this song, I mean to say that while singing, performing this song, you are going every note upper and upper side. Okay, means first of all sa, then re, then go, then mo. Okay, as we have practiced, what is sa? Sa, re, ga, mo. Okay, then you have to go upper side by singing each and every line. Sa se savan, re se rim झिम. आगे जाओ. Ga se ga hogi, ma se ni re moti. Means you have to sing mo while singing this line. Ma se ni re moti. Again. Pa se chali pavan. Singing this line you have to use pa. Sa pa se chali pavan. Okay. Then dha se dhani dharti. We have to sing dha. Okay. Dha se dhani dharti. Ni se. You have to sing ni. Okay. At this line you have to sing ni. Ni se niradagan. Finally you have to use your upper sa. Ni se niradagan. सात सुरों से बनता है ये प्यारा सा सरगम। सात सुरों से बनता है ये प्यारा सा सरगम। खुशियों से बच्चे गाते हैं सदा इसे हरदम। खुशियों से बच्चे गाते हैं सदा इसे हरदम। सारे गम पधनि सा सानि ग प म ग रे सा। सा से सावन रे से रिम झिम ग से गा होगी। सा से सावन रे से रिम झिम ग से गा होगी। ग से गा होगी। ग से गा होगी। So students, this song is designed intentionally for you. So we have to practice this song at home and do very well. Okay, sing this song very well. I wish you all the best for singing this song in your function, family function, school function, etc. etc. As we say that in this song, you can sing this song at anywhere. Okay, so all the best for the practice of this song.
ॐ भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः